Hi guys, this is my no-nonsense sound demo of what the Remo Silentstroke Drumheads and the Zildjian L80 low-volume cymbals sound like in an actual apartment. So from the door, the living room in and of itself is pretty small, so the sound is going to travel to the next living room or the next apartment over on this side, and it's going to travel over on this side. Sorry, my place is disgusting because, we're moving in, so it's weird. But this is a small place for demo, and my drums, or my setup, are chilling right in here in the Harry Potter looking stairwell closet. This directly leads out to the upstairs here with the other apartment above, and my drums are sitting right below these, or right past these stairs. So we're gonna just test out every little space in this place, even the stairs, from the bottom of the stairs to the top of the stairs. We're gonna test out everything and try and give you the most neutral and honest take on what these sound like in an apartment, so you can decide what you want to do for yourself.